Sometimes a keyboard on a computer should never be upgraded. This is an old IBM Model M keyboard, part number 1391472. It's got a date of 1984 on it, but I don't really think it's from that year. This was packaged with an IBM Model 25, the 8086 model. It's the Space Saver model. And some of you might be saying, what about all those special media buttons or special shortcut buttons? Even this old keyboard can have some shortcuts. I have a shortcut so I can select display resolution, color depth, and color profiles from my monitor when I'm doing photography. And that's it.